Welcome back to another video for Teamgate CRM. I'm Andrew, I'm the Director of Operations, and today I want to go through some sales forecasting. Now, it's always important to have a look at our sales forecast, not only because of our cash flow or our future revenue estimations, but we can also go back in time and look at our previous performance and how we are performing based on year over year, month over month, but also based on our sales goals. So this is easily achieved in Teamgate through our sales insights. Now, this is an enterprise feature, but our sales insights are completely out of the box, no setup required, no consulting fees or anything like that. All you need to do is start closing deals and your reports and statistics will be there for you to examine and use to become a data-driven business. So going into our sales insights, which I'm here now, I can go into sales pipeline and I can look at our forecast. So you can see here a few different things. And our sales forecast isn't just calculated based on guesswork. It looks at our current pipeline, so how many deals we currently have in our pipeline. It looks at our previous performance in previous months, years, and the like. It also looks at our conversion rates to give us the confidence level of what deals we think will close. And it also looks at our time to close. So how long is it taking us to close deals on average? That way, if we've got a deal in today, which is the 14th of March, and our usual sales cycle is 90 days, that revenue is probably not going to be attributed as likely to close in March because that sales cycle is going to take a little bit longer. Looking at the graph itself, this is filtered by quarter. We can break it down to different periods. So if we would just want to look at this month, there's a few different things to look at here. So in blue is our won deals already, and that's in revenue. So we can get further fidelity by clicking on it, and it breaks it down by time period. In green is our forecast by the previous period. So last month, it's looking at our performance this month in comparison to last month and predicting what we're going to close. So it looks like last month we closed some deals towards the end of the month. So Teamgate is predicting that there's a possibility there to close some more deals towards the end of the month as businesses come towards the end of Q1. In purple, we're looking at the forecast based on pipeline. So the current deals that are in our pipeline, it doesn't look like there's much in there, so it's going to stay relatively flat. The other thing to look at is in gray, and that's our sales goals. So you can see in March, we've well and truly exceeded the sales goal that's in this actual month. If we want further fidelity, we can go down the bottom. We can actually go into each of these deals. We can filter by employee. We can filter by tags. So if we want to look at, say, a tag of Google Ads, so any of the leads that came through Google Ads, we can look at the deals closed for that. We can also change our pipeline. So if we want to specifically look at our sales pipeline or any of the pipelines that you have in your CRM, we can also filter down by that. All right, and moving on, we can also look at our sales trajectory. And when we look at our sales trajectory, this is more our cash flow. So we can see our peaks and our troughs and our estimate out. And again, we can look at our previous performance by filtering by last month, quarter, or year. And in the green, this is our quarter realized, and in our red, that's our last quarter. So you can see this quarter is down. So we need to look at our performance and understand why we are down quarter over quarter. We can look at it by month, and we can also look at it by year, and we can look at it at current and also future states. Again, we can filter it down by employee, and we can also add tags. So again, if we want that further fidelity. The last thing I want to go through is our deals forecast. So if we go into our deals section, which is where I am now, you can see all of your deals across your drag and drop sales pipeline. We can hit this forecast button here, and it's going to take us into our sales forecast. And you can see again, green is deals that have already been won. Everything else is still pending, and it's been moved into where it's likely to close. So again, based on how long it takes us to close deals and our confidence level, this is weighted based on close percentages. So you can see whilst this deal's worth $1,200, based on our close percentages, we're actually likely to see $840 in June of 2023. That's all I wanted to cover today. If you've got any questions, as always, place them in the comments below. If you haven't started a trial with Teamgate, we do offer a 14-day free trial. If you're a current customer and you need help setting anything up, please reach out to our support team. And if you've got any recommendations for future videos, as always, please reach out and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.